This video will show you how to schedule a tutoring appointment with the Math and Science Tutoring Center. Start by navigating in your browser to lcse.accudemia.net, and you should see a screen that looks like this one. Enter your 7-digit LCSE student ID number, and if you have never been to this page before, or if you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Your Password, and you should see a screen that looks like this one. You will again enter your 7-digit LCSE student ID number, as well as your LC Mail email address and the code shown in the box, and then click the Request Password button and check your LC Mail for the email with a link to set your own password. Once you have a password, you'll come back to this page, enter your 7-digit LCSE student ID number, enter your new password, and click Login. You'll see a screen that looks like this one. We have a little news, a little calendar with updated information, and you can see here that there's information about upcoming appointments. Click the New Appointment button, and then you have a choice between face-to-face tutoring or online tutoring on Zoom. Select the type of tutoring that you want, and then choose the course that you want tutoring for. You'll see a screen that looks like this one that shows all of the tutor availability for the current week that you're in. If you want a different week, click the Next button, or if you want a particular day, click the calendar icon and choose the day you're looking for. If you don't like the way it displays the tutor availability on this screen, you can click Change View and choose a different availability. Once you've found the day that you want and a time that will work for you, click the green Time button. You can change the duration from 1 hour, 45 minutes, half hour, whatever you like if you need to, but then click the green Time button and it brings you to this page. If you want to add a note for your tutor, you can. If you don't want to tell your tutor anything in particular, you don't need to type a note. I'm going to leave a note for my tutor. I want some help reviewing for the final exam. So now make sure the date is correct, the time works for you, and you've selected the type of tutoring that you want and the correct class. And then click Confirm, and you get a screen that says your appointment has been confirmed. You will get an email to your LC Mail, and if your phone number is correct with the registrar's office, you should also get a text message. Now if you go to the home screen, it displays the appointment that you just made. So suppose something comes up and you need to change or cancel your appointment. You can do that by clicking View All, and it will display all of the appointments that you currently have. Hover over the one you want to change or cancel, and you'll see an icon for reschedule, an icon you can add an additional note, or the calendar with an X through it for cancel, and that's what I'm going to do here is cancel the appointment. So click the icon. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes. And now it will email you again that you've canceled and send you a text message if your phone number is correct. So now when I go back to home, I have no appointments, and if I click View All, I still have no appointments. So that's how to use this appointment scheduler. If you have any trouble at all, please send me an email. My email is right here on the screen, and I would be happy to meet with you and help you, or meet with you on Zoom and walk you through it online. Have a great day.